Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video here at your favorite channel of your choice, Saint TV. It's Uncle Saint here. So today I'm here in Victoria Falls. Yes, as you all know that at least once I have to visit Victoria Falls. Yeah, so this is November. I'm here in Victoria Falls. So I just want to show you something interesting. Yes, I've got some good deals for you coming from Sahara safaris. Yes, this Sahara safaris. So guys, ndoda kungokuradzaiwo my activities avano offer panapa handiti my activities avano offer. Chekutanga, it's accommodation. I know very well kuti when you are visiting a holiday resort like this one, a lot of people will be worried about accommodation. Sahara safaris vane accommodation yakanaka iri affordable handiti, iri quality and affordable. So all you need to do is to get in touch with them. Iwototanga kutoita mabookings ako accommodation. Zvapera kudaro one accommodation, there are still the same people who are going to organize for you my activities around Victoria Falls. Yes, I know very well kuti pamune muchiuya kunokwa munenge muchida kuona zvakasiyana siyana. So Sahara safaris are here to help you to enjoy your holidays. So chekutanga chavainacho pane ma-quad bikes. I think panapa muri kutonatsoona ma-quad bikes. From quad bikes pane iya inonzi bunch jumping anditi iya munono jamba. Aiwa, don't worry, just book wauya with Sahara safaris, you'll be safe. Also pane walking with elephants anditi iya interaction with elephants vanayo futi that activity. Game drive anditi motikari dzavo game drive dziri ready dzakakumirirai kuti munge muri munotendererawo muchinoona mhuka dzesango, magiraffes, muchinoona maantelopes, makudo and yeah, also the devil's pool. I know very well that a lot of people, they want to know much about this devil pool. Yes, with Sahara safaris you get a chance to visit the devil's pool. Also sunset cruise, zuva rakuita serakunonyura paipai, iwewe uri muchikepe uchinatsonzwa kuti aiwa ndakumafura mhepo zvadaro this Botswana wobva wambopinda unongouya nepassport yako, wobva wamboendawo kugame drive uri muBotswana. Kubva panapa paVic Falls kuenda kuBotswana padhuze dhuze. From there you get a chance also to walk with the lions anditi sepakuti iwewe you are the king and or the queen. So ma kings and queens vanotombowana time yekufamba nema-lions. Remember also about Boma dinner. There's Boma dinner here in Victoria Falls which you don't need to miss. Once you are in Victoria Falls, Sahara safaris will organize for you Boma dinner. Also helicopter flights. Helicopter flights. Of course, when you are going around and you get to see, but when you get in a helicopter, in a chopper, you get to see the whole of Victoria Falls from above, and the views are beautiful. They are extremely beautiful. Also don't forget kuti zvoni vane motikari dzakasiyana siyana, hombe nediki, kusanganisira mabhazi. Even if you come as a team and you need to transfer from another holiday going to another place, they are ready for that. And also vane rafting, zvikepe, canoeing anditi munoendawo for rafting muna Zambezi muchipinda mumvura muchidaro zvichinakidza. Mada zvakare village tours anditi munonopindawo ma-villages and you get to see kuti ma-villages around zvinofambiswa sei, kunoonawo experience around the traditional experience around Victoria Falls. Ndozvandango ndiwezokuonesaiwo Uncle Saint. My good deals are only at Sahara, because Sahara safaris are the best. Indirega nditopindawo ndinobhukawo zvangu, ndangotozva ndaona good deal, rega ndibve ndakuratidzei, rega ndipinde nditobhukawo angu ma-activities.